Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be talking to you about how to add an audio element to your web page. It's really quite simple. So first of all, of course, you need some music. I downloaded some music from bensound.com. The only stipulation is I have to give them credit that that's where I got the music from. So I'm going to be adding an audio element between this picture and the 5-day forecast. So the first thing I'm going to do is add my attribution for my music. Now my music is credited to the website that I got it from. Now the easiest way to add an audio element to your web page is to follow W3 School's HTML audio element page. This is it right here. This is the basic code. So I've already got this typed in. I'm just going to go ahead and copy and paste it into my browser, and then I'll tell you about what everything does. All right, if you look right here, this is my audio tag, which specifies that we're going to be using the HTML5 audio player. I'm using the controls attribute to show the controls on the player so that the user can stop the sound. I have my file listed, which is in my audio folder in my lesson 5. I've got the MP3 file and the OGG file. The reason I've got them both listed here as sources is in case the browser can't play MP3, it will fall back and try to play OGG. If it can't play that, it will display this message: your browser does not support the audio element. Most modern browsers can support both MP3 and OGG. So HTML audio formats, these are the different browsers and what they can support. I'm using Firefox today, so it will support MP3 and OGG. So I don't anticipate you ever saying this: your browser does not support the audio element message. So here's what that would look like. And there's our player right underneath the picture. It looks really nice. And then you can just go ahead and hit play. I picked that song because I thought that song really embodied Preston, Idaho. A great day in Preston. So there's so much more you can do with an audio element. If you go to MDM Web Docs, it's a much more comprehensive paper. It has some good sample code. It talks about the various attributes. One attribute that I need to tell you about is autoplay, which is generally a big no-no. What autoplay does is as soon as your web page loads, the music instantly starts playing. People don't like that. And so I would suggest not using that. A really bad thing to do would be to put autoplay with no controls, because then when the web page loads, it would be playing audio and there would be no way for the user to stop it. So never do that. Never put autoplay without controls. And there are all these different attributes you can put in. One of them is loop, which is really, really handy. Anyway, I want to show you one more way to add this element that will look even better than what we have here. In HTML5, one of the tags we can use is the figure tag, which will create a division that will allow us to add a figure caption and all that. So I'll post my code and then I'll break it down for you. So now I have it in a figure tag, which creates a division here, and I can add a caption. Since that music is just perfect for a beautiful day in Preston, I've captioned it music for a nice day in Preston, Idaho. I do have it set to autoplay here, which I am actually going to take that out because it's bad. And at the end of the track, it will loop around and play again. That's what loop means. This time I've added these type descriptors in here. So when the browser looks at this and it sees type MPEG, the browser will say, oh, I can play that, and it will go ahead and load this. If it can, it will just ignore it. Same with the OGG. In this instance, if it can't play either of those file types, it will display your browser does not support the, and then it will tell which audio code it won't support, and then element. It will also show this: if your browser doesn't support HTML5 audio, here is a link to download the audio instead, and then the user can just click on that link and download it if they want to listen to it. So here's what that looks like. Looks nicer. It has the caption, music for a nice day in Preston, Idaho, with the credit to where I got the sound. And so that's it. That's the audio element in a nutshell. There's so much more to it. You can style it with CSS. Like I said, there's other attributes you can put to it. There's a ton you can do with audio. I'm a musician, so I'm working with audio all the time. You can make your MP3 files really small. You can sacrifice some audio quality when you do that, but there's so much more you can I could talk to you about. If you have any questions, let me know. I'd be happy to help you. And there you have it. Everybody enjoy a nice day in Preston, and I will see you later.